Hi everybody, it's Amy. I just wanted to show you guys what we got in the Platteville March share. A great variety of food, some new items that we've never seen before. And let's just get started. Back here, we have some mint gelato. I think it's mint cookie gelato. There's 6 pints of that. We have some jalapeno cheddar cooked sausages, a bag of that, 5 pounds. 1 blueberry, strawberry instant oatmeal. And then these are fun. These are whole wheat Canadian bacon egg white cheese muffins, breakfast muffins, 4 of those. 4 in the box, 1 box. And then we got some potatoes. I'm assuming there's a variety of frozen potatoes. Another new item is the balanced breakfast, cheese and crackers. And there are, I think, 4 of these packages in there and 3 in a package. And here we have a mystery can. I went ahead and opened it. We're just going to eat it for supper tonight. It is green beans. And then 40 K-cups of coffee, medium roast. That looks delicious. Always a favorite item for me. And then we have another new item, immune drink mix, pink grapefruit. A lot of that, 2 cases, and in each case is 10 of these little boxes. 5 individual snack size chips. There's a variety of flavors. And then again, we saw these at Mineral Point, the pretzel crisps. And here's the sauerkraut, a new brand, and I think it's just regular sauerkraut, yeah. But it looks like a different brand. 2 bags of potatoes, 2 pizzas, some Nature Valley soft baked oatmeal squares, again some of the dinner rolls, and then this will probably be our favorite item, some blonde root beer. And Oak Creek, I'm assuming that's probably produced here in Wisconsin. So a really nice share from Platteville. Make sure you thank the volunteers and post your recipes and ideas if you got something different than what I received, which is probably the case since not everybody gets the same share. Make sure you comment on this and let us know what you got. Send a picture. That would be great. So Ruby's Pantry goes to Platteville the first Thursday of every month, and then it is in Mineral Point. I believe it's the 4th Wednesday of the month. I want to say, I'll correct that if it's wrong, but the 4th Wednesday of the month. And again, $20 a share. There is no income requirement. This is an overstock food service run by volunteers, usually from churches, and it's all over Minnesota and Wisconsin. And they just added a new site in Oshkosh, and hopefully they'll be adding more sites so more people can take advantage of this great service. Thank you so much for watching.